And the race is on. Queen Alicia from the outside. Ale Batong. Ciliar Danori inside. Elgin Sherman. Treasure Duck racing from the outside. Sparring Hilton. Dugas Fantasy. Kyrell and Speedy Mackie. Batong Ciliar by Sam Tulane. Queen Alicia. Treasure Duck alongside Elgin Chairman Kyrell Danori inside fifth racing 6 Ale Dugus Fantasy Good Humor Speedy Maki second last and paring Hilton is running at the tail of the field. Batong Ciliar by Alenkenhap Queen Alicia Elgin and Chairman racing from the outside. Treasure Duck Kyrell and Speedy Maki Ale Good Humor paring Hilton Dugus Fantasy is now running at the tail of the field. Batong Ciliar is still the leader. Queen Alicia, Elgin and Chairman, Kyrell Danori inside. Treasure Duck, Speedy Maki, Alec Dugas Fantasy, Good Humor, paring Hilton, but still Batong Ciliar still leading the pack, and finally Batong Ciliar, Elgin and Chairman, Queen Alicia, Speedy Maki, and for your Pentafecta, number 5, the favorite, Treasure Duck.